I wouldn't have realized. All right, so back. Oh man. All right, whatever. It's fine. 5763. If we go below it, you sell, which is puts, right? You can see it bounced off this morning at 5, and then just continued to rally up, right? And I was explaining a bunch of stuff, right? But I just used these support and resistance lines. So like we bounce off, move up, that's a play, right? You see that we have this green trend on the 5 minute, 30 minute. We still have a red trend, but we have some green support. And right now, yeah, this was open a candle. So you can see it's very, very volatile. We had about like 28,000 volume. This one's like about, I would say like 13, 14. And just trying to figure out what to do. Chop, we have a chop zone all in between 5740 and 5805, which is this entire zone here. 5740 down here to 5805 right up here. You can see we're just chopping in between this. Twitch. Okay. 5 seconds here. So based off the MACDs of the entire market, right? We can see that they still want to continue up. We had a little bit of a dip here, but it really just depends on what we do right here. If we want to move down, we move down. If not, if not. As you can see, it's not really moving in any like specific direction at the moment. You know, we come down, we go up, come down, we go up, and right now it's just trying to figure out. And this is what I call a chop. So you're not going to trade this. Nobody trades this because most of the time you're going to get stop lossed out and you're going to lose money. And then it's going to go up or down in your favor, but you're not in it to see the gains because you've already gotten stop lossed out when this is happening. I'm going to check my crypto coin. 4.21 milli. Very, very nice. It tapped like 5.83. Didn't really hit 6, but like you can see the amount of buy volume. And we can go down here and see like the orders. 618, 1,000, 1,000. Some people are selling. 1,500 sell. $3,000 buy. $7,000 buy. $2,000 buy or sell. $7,000 buy. So there's a lot of buy and there's some sell, but sold. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's okay. Keep that there so I can see. TikTok, I can see the chat there too. If you're on TikTok, let me know. Like up the stream. Twitch, got chat in front of you. Appreciate all you guys. If you're on TikTok, make sure to like the stream. It helps me get more people to see the stream. And I can't give you guys an exact time frame of a trade. You just gotta wait for the opportunity. It's like you're hunting, you're planning, you're playing that shot. You're waiting. You're not gonna take it too early or too late. You're gonna wait, and when you do have that perfect shot, you're gonna take it, and you're gonna make it. You're gonna hit most of the time, in my opinion. First two candles, a lot of volume. A lot of volume. See, still, it just doesn't know what it wants to do, right? It really doesn't know what it wants to do. Also, 5782 is a mini support, or resistance, sorry. As you can tell, we haven't even been able to hold above it. And what I mean when I say hold, right? So there's a difference between a wick, which are these little lines, and a hold, which is the fat part of the candle, right? We haven't actually held over 5782. If we hold over 5782, you're going to continue up. However, if you don't, you're gonna probably see it bounce off and move down, right? And this is another level, like 5782, 5777 is a level. 5763 is a level, right? You see bounce off, took above 577, and now we're just kind of sitting in this zone, right? Because there's two lines, there's a support and there's a resistance, and it's having struggle trying to find its way out. So until it holds above 5782 or below, we're just gonna have to see right now. This is just a little chop zone. Dude, these fucking cars. Shut the fuck up. Which one? That's fine.
Non sarebbe meglio ridurre la plastica? Kinder Delice lo fa, con una confezione riciclabile nella carta. 103 tonnellate di plastica.
Oh no, I fuck with this one. Yeah, see? Bounced right off 5782. Let's see. 24 seconds, so close. 5 minute little arrow push down. Let's see. That's not confirmation at all. It's just, again, we're just chopping right now. And you still have a 5 minute trend supporting it. Alright, bro. Alright, I guess I'll let him promote himself if I'm playing his shit. I think I could. TikTok, thank you guys, I appreciate it. Mario, hello. God could forgive you. Alright, let's see what happens here. See a little push down. As I said, right, this is a little zone. Let's see what's gonna happen. 5763, if we're able to hold below this, we're gonna most likely see a move down to 5746. Again, in my opinion. As you can see, strong support. Bounced off it last week as well. Sophia, Mario, thank you. Appreciate you guys. 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. I would want to see this 5 minute green trend also get knocked out, right? So if we're able to move down to 5763, that would become a lower low, right? If we're able to go below there, and that would take out this 5 minute green trend, and we'd be 30 minute red, 5 minute red. And again, if it holds, if it's able to close and hold above 5782, you're going to probably see it continue to move up. This is the morning. This is why I don't trade this, guys. Like, you can see. Opening candle goes down, up. This candle, down, up. This candle closes red. This candle's going to probably close green. It's just like this, so. How did I learn? A lot of time. A lot of time and a lot of money. And then you eventually understand that it's just pretty simple. Instead of overcomplicating it. What was this? Thank you for the follow. I couldn't even see who that was, but thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Okay, see? Let's see what happens. See if we're able to close above 5782 or below 5777. Spin it down. Go. All right, as you can see, MACDs, right? Dipping down, dipping down, dipping down. This is Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Ineos, which is S&P and 500 or S&P 500. A million. No. 577 isn't a really crucial support. But if it closes below, we'll see. But you can see it's kind of also tapping off 5775 right here. It's our zone right now. And the way you can also spot these, right? These like supports and stuff is just where the wicks tapping. You see they both bounce off here, tap off the top. Each one of these is 5 minutes, right? You can see my timer, right? So we just closed this one. This was 5 minutes. This was 5 minutes. This was 5 minutes. That was 5 minutes. So we just started another 5-minute candle, right? So what we're looking at right now is where it moves from in these 5 minutes. So like last candle, we moved, tapped 5775 and it tapped 5784. It went both from 5775 to 5784, if that makes sense. Yeah, so if you want to like trade, Tayan, fake money, you can do this. Think or swim paper trading. And this is how you can learn without actually ever investing real money, right? There's so many like paper trading things, but like you can use Interactive Brokers, bunch of things that you can do, like paper trade, login, Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim's a good one, no, because you can start paper trading with fake money, and then once you want to start investing with real money, all you need to do is just put money in the account because you already have an account with Thinkorswim. And options, this is options. All right, this is a bid, right? I'm gonna explain to you what an option is. All right, at 3 minutes, we're kind of crashing. This is a bid. All right, so when you look, right, you're always buying the ask. So when you're buying a contract, you're buying the ask. You're paying what the ask is. So, for example, let me find a better screenshot. Here. So, your ask, if you wanted to buy calls, right, for $175, for saying that the price is going to $175, you're paying $181. So it's this number times 100. If you were to buy 177, it'd be $90. If you were to buy 180, it would be $40. 182, it'd be $18. If that kind of makes sense. So you're paying a cheaper price for buying the same exact stock. You're just paying a cheaper price for it. So like, for example, for ES, I don't need to pay $5,775 to trade it. I'm paying the bid, which may be $400, $500, $600, if that makes sense. And I'm picking the price that it's gonna arrive like around, and the day that it's gonna expire. And I'm day trading, so it's gonna expire at the end of the day. AL6, Alex. Thank you guys on TikTok. I appreciate it. Uns. All right, we did make a lower low here. You could, this would be a risky play, but if you see a hold under 5775, you could get inputs to play down to 5763. It would be a risky play though. And I wouldn't be taking that. I want to see confirmation. But if some of you guys want to take that trade, that's up to you. Again, only if it holds under 5775. But again, very, very risky. I'm not taking that. Let me grab my water. Big candle. Maximo, welcome. Maximo Morales, welcome to the stream. Let's do this. There we go. Cool. Let's see, 8 seconds, it wasn't able to hold. It might be able to hold under 577 though. It wasn't. Let's see what happens on this next candle. Yeah, this is just gonna be a little chop soon. So until we actually make a breakdown or up, there's not gonna be any trade here. Tina, welcome. Tayan, thank you. Got 4 minutes. We are moving to the sell side. So if you look at my buy and sell rates on here, right? When you have green, that means there's more buy volume than sell. Now we're moving to the sell side. At the moment, right? This could be for 2 minutes and then it can change. User, welcome. People on TikTok, Abdil, thank you. Like the stream. It really helps me out. I appreciate it. Like up the stream. There you go. Bigger move. Let's see if we can actually make a move. I wouldn't be surprised, right, if we were able to close under 5763 and maybe even break low 5740. We had that big sell-off, a little bit of a pullback. Let's see what Monday does. So are you buying call options or put options? Call, right? No, so it depends. If I think the price is going up, I'm buying calls. If I think the price is going down, I'm buying puts. So if you think right now that ES is going up, you're going to buy calls. If you think ES is going to go down, you're going to be buying puts. That's the difference. And it's like when you buy shares, you're buying shares, and when the price goes up, you make money. But when the price goes down, you don't, right? You actually lose money. With options, it's the opposite. You're able to bet on the price going up and down. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. If that answered your question. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, calls green, puts red. Think about it like that. Dun, 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 bum, 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 bum. Oh, Sushi Grace, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. I can see it now. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, the biggest thing about trading is just being able to sit here and not trade. Like, I could have easily convinced myself to getting calls, right? Because we have a green trend on the 5 minute. But I didn't, because this is just chop. I want to wait till I see like a confirmation that gives me like, all right, Luca, this is going to make a good move here. And then I get in those. I don't want to play this. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. 1 minute. Yo, Indy, thank you. I appreciate you, brother. Thanks for the follow. And Grace, thank you for the follow as well. There we go. Let's see. 58 seconds. A good confirmation, if you wanted to get in that 775 trade, if it did close, would be to see a lower low. If it's able to do that. But let's see what happens. And by lower low, I mean lower than this candle right here. Right? A lower low. I gotta cut my hair. I know. Chill the fuck out. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Didn't do it. Let's see what happens on this. Red trend on the 5 minute if we hold like this. If it continues to move down, we have a red trend on the 5 minute. Thank you to my peeps on Twitch. Thank you to my people on TikTok. Thank you to my people on YouTube. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, we're still in that chop zone. It's gonna be this way. Let's see. So even based on all this, right, it could so likely just decide, all right, we're going to continue up now and have like 3 big candles, right? So this is why we have no confirmation yet. That's why you continue to wait, Sergio! $3.55. Anthony, what's up? Let's do this. Make a little chop zone. How people see it. Chop zone. No zone. Like, don't touch my no square. Yeah, that's what that is. Booby. This is what you came for. Basically, if you want to just like sum what this all up, what it is, it's a whole bunch of bullshit, right? I want this. You see that? That's a clean move. Red. That's a clean move. Red. That's a clean move. I don't want that. This is horse shit. No. Fuck you. Fuck you, Tayan. Nobody said that. I just looked at the camera. I was like, all right, damn. But yeah. Temporary problem. A hold over 5782 would probably confirm a move continuing upward for you guys that are still riding calls. This is what I came for. Is this just like a... Oh, there you go. MACDs. Dow Jones is like the guy who's like smoking weed or he's like doing crack while everybody's smoking weed. He's doing the opposite. This is still going down. This is still going down. Twitch, thank you. TikTok, thank you. I appreciate y'all. User, there's 2 users. Welcome. It ain't me. No, it ain't. It ain't me. Don't whiskey. Yeah, dude, Dow's like, he's on some type of hard drugs over here. It's always like this. Everything else is just chilling, doing, and then Dow's doing the opposite. Always, always. But yeah, like when I see that they're all 3 moving together, that's really good. But Dow's always kind of doing its own thing. Let's see if it's gonna hold out our shit zone. Can I name this? I can. No, what? Who's gonna rock you to the dark side of the morning? Who's gonna... Oh, wow. There you go. That should make it really simple. It still didn't close. Hong, welcome. It ain't me. It might have like done like by like 0.25. I don't know. I think it might have. I think it did by like a little bit. Barely. I think it barely closed above. Yeah, it looks like it did. There you go. That was that confirmation. There you go. That's level to level trading. That's all it is. Now you would really want to see like this to be another confirmation candle because obviously that didn't hold real nice. Menace, welcome. We'll just see what happens. Lewis, welcome. Like up the stream, my peeps on TikTok. It helps me out. Do long-term investments like SPY or Dow Jones reflect on day trading? Can you day trade those companies? Yes, you can. You day trade. These are futures, right? Index funds. You're trading. That's what you're doing. You're day trading it. You're looking for these big moves, right? So like you'd be here. You see it holds under 5782, right? Boom. You get it on puts and you're playing it down to 5764 where it taps off, right? That's a play. So that's your day trading. Now, if you're doing long-term investments, that's a whole other like conversation. That's just using compound interest, investing month by month. Manny, what's up, brother? Investing month by month, and it's just compounding interest over a long period of time. But yes, that's what we're day trading. We're day trading. ES is the S&P 500, right? So this ES, SPX, SPY is all the S&P 500, right? They're just different valuations. One's 5,700, the other SPX is 5,730, and then SPY is $571. So it's just, it depends on price, but they all move the same way. Mine, welcome. Thank you. Follow the stream. Everybody's watching. Follow the stream. It helps me out. Like the stream. Do what you can. It's free. I'm live every day. I give you the information. Here we go. I'd also want to see a close over 5784 for calls. That would help. That would help everybody who's in calls right now. It still has the potential to reverse. Because you can even stretch the shit zone to 5784. Minute and 35. Now, if it closes back under 5782, then you already know. So, and it goes back in that zone. Dran. Hello. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Welcome. Minute 15. Let's see what my crypto's doing. Chillin'. A little pullback. Much needed. After that, yeah, it needs a pullback. I mean, I'm just riding it because, I mean, every day it opens up at a higher price. We'll see. I left a little bit in it. Tank, welcome. Andy, thank you. All right, let's see. 30 seconds. Yeah, it's still in this chop zone right now. Think we. Alright, this next candle should tell us something. 6 seconds. Luke, welcome. Keyword was should, so let's see. Back on buy volume. Buy. Got a little bit of sell, and now we're back on buy, but not by a lot. It's fighting. D, yo. And another thing to think about, right? Like, I was reading this newsletter from this guy that I there's a few traders that I will follow. His name is Adam Mancini. Very, very good newsletter. Trades the same strategy, very, very similar. And he was making this point, right, where to get from point A to point B when you get into a trade, right, it's going to take the most hard, excruciating, just the hardest route to get there. That's how it works, right? To get from point A to B. 90% of our day when we're looking at a chart is this, right? It's stuff like this, which is just chop. Nobody trades it because if you did get in on calls here and you wanted to sell here, you would have been in, gone up, gone back down, gone up, gone back down. You'd have been negative at one point, and then you'd finally be able to sell for profit. So you have to go through all those series of emotions, up, down, down, up, down, just to get there. No, I want to get in where it's like this, and I'm like, okay, sell, and I have a slight pullback, and then just a move, and I make my money. I don't want shit. I leave the shit for the other people. So 90% of your trades are shit. They're chop. 90% of like the stuff that you'll see on a chart is just shit. You'll get 10% that look like this. 10% that are actual full-blown moves. Boom. Hunter, what's up? Cat, Ocho, welcome. Like the stream for me, it helps me out. Again, shit. Close below, we're moving down. If we get a nice close above, we're moving up. Thank you, Hunter. Alright, I actually can't. See, this is what you need to do, Hunter. You see? This. It's that, bro. Something like this. Oh, it's still playing. There we go. What's that? Tayan! I love you. Sorry, Soph. And I don't even listening. Why is this shit lagging so much? Thank you, Tane. 5 minute. Let's see. You even listening? Looks like it wants to move up. But let's see. Yeah, and anything can happen. Five, 7, 8, 3. Oh! 48 seconds. No, so 33. For calls, I'd want to see a close over 5, 7, 8, 4. If it can get there. It's testing it. There you go. It's slightly above. True. OGC, welcome. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. If it closes over 5, 7, 8, 4, that's a good sign for the people that are in calls. Held over by 0.50. There you go. Now you should continue to move back up for people that are in calls from that 5, 7, 6, 3 bounce. But I would also be careful because this is just a little bit of a choppy zone. That's why I'm not in a trade at the moment. I'm waiting. Wait until I see something that looks juicier than this to me. Thank you to my Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok people. If you're on TikTok, make sure to like the stream. It helps me out. If you have any questions, just type them in the chat. Live every single day. Yeah. Let's see what happens. 4 minutes till this candle closes. Remember, each one of these candles are 5 minutes. So this is going to be 5 minutes, and that last one was also 5 minutes. Night, welcome. $3.48. Not to bleed. A nice. We'd want to see a newer high. And as for calls, you should see 5795 next, just up where that green line is for me. But let's see. Again, you would be playing calls from this 5763 bounce, right? You would have taken 75% of your profits at this first line, sold another 10% of your profits at that second profit target, and now you're leaving this runner, which is just working, right? It's exactly what it's doing. Again, you'd probably see 5795 would be your next target. And these are support and resistance lines from weeks ago, months ago, even days ago. It's just ones that aren't weak that are strong, and our most important ones, right? We've pretty much tested through 5788 and 5790 like all last week of the week before. So there shouldn't be anything really there left. But we'll see. Never know. All those nights we had. Alexi, welcome. Alexi, welcome. Yeah, if you're able to get to 5795, you'd see 5805 next. And if you're able to hold over at 5805, then we get out of this whole chop zone, which would be huge. That'd be a flag breakout, bull flag breakout. All right, mini resistance at 5790. That whole like between those two white lines right there. It seems to moving pretty good. Like that. Mind, welcome. Minute left. You can kind of see at the bottom of my screen too. All those MACDs are moving in the same direction, right? So you have Dow Jones here moving up. You have NASDAQ moving up. And you have S&P 500 moving up as well. Cedric Swinson, hello. Are you an old man? Sound like an old man. It sounds like an old person name. Cedric's. Alright, I'm not meaning to throw shade on nobody's name, but Cedric Swinson sounds like an old person's name. Ay, ay, ay. No. Not a terrible close. It wasn't able to close over 5788, which isn't favorable if you're in calls, but we could be beautiful. As I mentioned, like 5740 to 5805 is all like chop, big chop zone. So you'll see like it can hold here and then just reverse and not follow through, because that's just what happens, right? Like when you're in chop, moves just tend to like go a few points or something and then just reverse and not follow through. It's just a bunch of traps. Which if it pulls down here and comes back into that zone, it just proves my point. Never let me go. I was reading the Bible this morning, and there's a quote in it. Well, it's a story that kind of like related over to stock trading for me, where it's like there was a Pharaoh and he had the children of Israel and he wouldn't let them go, and so God sent flies and he sent darkness and killed the animals, made it so life wouldn't grow in Egypt, so the Pharaoh would just let the people go. And the Pharaoh would be like, all right, I'll let them go. And then at the end, he'd be like, no, I won't. I never mind. I changed my mind. And it had to get to the point where finally the firstborns of all the beasts and people that were in Egypt had to die for him to realize, okay, this is real. It's something that I need to take seriously. It's the same thing with stock trading, right? I'll say it so many times that this is a shit zone, but until you actually go and lose money, you won't understand, right? So until you actually experience what that is, what I mean when I say chop, you'll be like, he's just yapping. No. This is bullshit. You don't want that, right? And it just kind of translated over, like, until you finally, like, experience it and it's close to you, then you can finally realize, like, what you need to do right. Which goes back to that question, how did I learn it? By losing. And every time you lose, you learn, you get better. You're like, okay, I shouldn't have done this. I should have done that. And you just improve. Boom. Boom. Brad. Andy. Cash. Hello. Make sure to like the stream, follow the stream. I'm live every day. I give out free information every day. If you have a question, just ask. How's RSI looking? RSI is fine. Not a ton of volume, to be honest. Not a ton of volume. Not really doing anything crazy right now. 5784. This is probably just a mini pullback, and it's going to continue to move up. Still have the 5-minute green trend right now. If we continue to move up, it'll start to build one on the 30-minute as well. But it already started to build it. It'll finish building it. It'll be a completed construction. Don't you give up. Nah, nah, nah. Don't give up. Nah, nah, nah. 50 seconds. Each of those candles are 5 minutes right there that we're looking at. And this one closed in 42 seconds. And if you're looking bullish, you'd want to see close over 5,790. Some of our resistances from the last 2 weeks, which should be pretty weak now, but we will see what happens. Shh. Welcome. That's a fire name. Shh. I fuck with that. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, there's a reason why I'm not trading is I have a feeling that this isn't going to follow through to be anything huge. Because 5740, 5805 is all chop, but we will see. We will see. Glizzy Dad. Wild name, but welcome to the stream. Glizzy Dad. How the fuck do you even come up with that? Glizzy Dad. Damn, so you guys are wild. I love it. Glizzy Dad. Jeez. I would be honored to have Glizzy Dad as one of my followers. Whole bunch of none. Shit, do we have news coming out today? I think we might. We had jobs last week. I'm going. Scotty, yo! Two minutes. Nazim, ¿Qué pasa? ELR, welcome. Loaded Dragon, ELR, welcome to stream. Dayan, yo, where can I look at the same screen as you? All the options. If you want these, all these charts, I can send whoever. And this is just trading view. This is Thinkorswim, and that's just trading view. This is just a simple charting thing. It's called the Sandbox on Thinkorswim. What's this one called? RC Index, Globex High and Low. Just all the markets. I'll send it to you, Tayan. So, if it closes right now, if it goes back below 5782, you're back in this zone. And again, as I said, I wouldn't even be surprised because chops all from 5740 to 5805. Moves don't tend to follow through that much. But we'll see. We'll see. Five-minute green still. We started to build a 5-minute red here, and then we had this reversal right here. It bounced and just moved right back up. No ops. Dane, text me your email. Yeah, and that's why I said make the Thinkorswim, because if you make the stringer thing or Thinkorswim, I can just send you these, and you can just put them on your charts. It's super simple, because I don't think you can open them up with anything else. But you have to make the Thinkorswim account first, or you can't open them. Hey, I'm gonna go bathroom. BRB. Fitzy, I appreciate the follow, brother. Thank you. Yeah, I throw all the information on the TikTok and like Instagram and stuff. But if you guys want to like do like more in depth and really like step up your game, you can go to like the Discord and stuff, which everything's in my bio. Victor, what's up? But yeah, other than that, I'm live. I show my trades every day. It's the same thing. But right now we're not in anything. We're kind of waiting, planning the shot, and we're gonna take it. But yeah, you can see this is labeled the shit zone, because I don't like the shit zone. Bat T. What's up? Welcome to the stream. Bat T with the bat emoji. I fuck with that. It's very creative. But with the BH, yeah. Creative. Let's see what happens on this close. We got a minute right here. A minute till this candle closes. Each one of these are 5. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. This is going to close in a minute. 60 seconds. 43. Let's see. I really like this set. This video's fire. Where did you record this? No. Dancing gonna be a lot. I guess they don't say. You missed the summer, blah blah blah. I don't know. It's got to be like Europe. Maybe it's America. I don't know. It doesn't give me American vibes. HDJKXBRB73A. Welcome to the stream. I think me pronouncing that whole name deserves a follow. Just saying. All right, Kansas did a bunch of whole nothing. Let's see what happens here. See what's happening over here with our crypto. Still chilling. Got a bunch of buy volume today. Went up to like 5-6 million market cap. Was able to sell. I sold over here. I've sold over here. I've sold over here. I sold up here. And now I'm just letting some contracts ride because we keep on opening higher and higher. Higher. Consolidate. Higher. Consolidate. Higher. Consolidate. Much higher. So, it's called Dancing Triangle. If anybody's interested. I don't know. James O'Deed. Welcome. Everybody on TikTok, make sure to like my stream. Follow. Helps me out a ton. Live info every day. Or, info every day and I'm live every day. Danish, welcome. Yeah, and like what we're doing is these are literally just support and resistance lines. So simple. Like this morning we bounced off 5763, came back up here. Now we're consolidating between like 5775 and it's kind of like 5784. Just a bunch of chop. Duran. Hello. Bibi. Yo. Thank you for Fitchy, Andy, Sushi, Tayton. Thank you guys for following the stream. Honestly, I think this deserves to be stretched to like here. I think that's what it deserves. No, like we broke above and then it held right back down. So let's see. That's why it's nice being able to watch this too, because like, for example, let's say you did get in the morning on calls or whatever, right? And like, you get trapped in this, you're just gonna be pissed, right? Like you're gonna end up losing money 90% of the time because it's just chop. You're like gonna be here, and then you're gonna see these big red candles. You'll be like, oh fuck, no, I'm gonna get out, and then it goes back up. But it's nice being able to watch it because now you know, like, if it's able to really break below or break above fully with confirmation that that's a possible trade there as well, right? Because you have this zone that it's not really able to get out of. We're just fighting. And we also have a push down in the 5 minute now. Nicholas, hello. Again, 5763 is our support. We're selling the 5. 746 below if we break down. There's a will, there's a way, and a beautiful. What a song. What a song. Oh, it's a great song. Defeated. Five seconds. Tim Bates. Que pasa? Close below. Close below 5782. Now we should be trapped right back in between these zones again. That 5782 and that 5775. On a Saturday. What is the name of this song? Is that the name of it? Oh yeah, it is. I'm just uncultured. No, I just didn't know the name of it. Tim, welcome to the stream. Yeah, we just break down under 5782. Now we're gonna get back in the zone. 5782 to 5775, like earlier this morning. ... Creative MAME. 'I want to order a pizza. I think I must. I'm gonna order that pizza Tane that I sent the other day in the group chat. €7 to get it delivered to my house. You got me there. You got me there. I'm sorry. It's a steal. And you saw those pictures, dude. Nah, that's exactly what I'm eating for dinner. Waiting for love. Church on Sunday. Volume's dying out over here, but as we see, it always kind of does that. It makes a big move, right? We have a lot of buy. Pablo, welcome. We have a lot of buy, and then it ends up just like kind of losing volume, consolidating, right, for a little bit. Remember, this is 15 minutes, so this is like from the 20th or the 3rd, sorry, all the way to the 6th. And then the 6th, you see just insane amount of buy volume. I expected to do the same thing, kind of die out, and then hopefully we have a bigger open another day. Looked great. I know it did. I know it did. I know it did. I don't know why it just popped up in my head. Alex P, what's up? Yeah, I know. It was some good pizza. I don't know which one to pick though. Both of them were good. I don't know how they made it. It was like a potato like sauce on pizza, but it was so good, bro. I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, camera's going off for a minute because we got We got a fag next to me. If you get where I'm going. No, I can't. I cannot say that. I'm gonna get banned. No, I cannot say that. All right. Minute 22. Minute 20. Doing a whole bunch of nothing. Pablo, thank you for the follow. Pablo, Fitchy, Andy, Grace, Tayan, y'all are great. Hour and 14 minutes, 80 total viewers on TikTok. I don't know how many it is on Twitch. Probably only a couple. Twitch is just Twitch. I can't pronounce that. Big Race. Wait, what is that name? Big Arc. What kind of arc are we talking about? 3 seconds. It's a better candle. No, welcome back to the stream. I noticed the people who come back. I noticed y'all. I remember y'all names. Your names. I gotta speak English, bro. Lonely road. All right, Tayton, you know what I'm gonna play? Just because I think it deserves to be heard again. I know you've already listened to it, but this bitch. Oh, wait. I just need to go back real quick. No way. Chan, welcome. Yeah, there you go. You've been here before. How you get up when you start this? See, like, you could tell. Like, I like my EDM stuff with words. See, like, this is good, Taya. This is good. You can now reply to Twitch. I don't even know what that said. A multi-stream chat. I know. Haha. See, I'm so alerted to this whole streaming thing. Oh, I got a crown next to my name. Let's fucking go, baby. Twitch knows. They know. Alright, let me shut up. Kept on down. Why did it reply twice, though? I don't know, it's just portents. If we see another red candle here, this would be nice. Let's see if we make a lower low. If we can stop just bouncing off this. Let's see if we get a lower low there. And you can think about this like, so when you look at this in a big picture, right? This is the big picture green trend, right? But then when you look at it in like a 1 minute trend, which is right here, right? It breaks up a lot, and you're able to see like, okay, well, now we're starting a red trend on the 1 minute and kind of pushing back green down here where that support is. So there's mini trends and bigger trends, and Whole bunch of stuff. Bradley C. Watkins, what's up? Is it Bradley Christian Watkins? If I had to guess. No answer. I guess I was wrong. All right. There we go.
Trasforma la tua passione in un business con Shopify e batti i record di vendite con il checkout.
I cannot sing along to this because I won't have a account if I do. Let me really just. Papa Trader, hello. I like that name. Yeah, we're doing a whole bunch of nothing right now. Kit Kat. Bread up on a bit like Kit Kat. Oh, where the fuck the weed at? You don't gotta better get it, cause I need that. All the bullshit, baby, you can keep it. Matter of fact, just keep all this shit a secret. I mean, for being a freestyle, like, and this is a minute in. This is a minute into a freestyle. No face. Fall back. My phone. Your. I don't know what to say. Every day I wake up and I'm balling. They don't want no problem, want no problem. Go yard all by lap, Montclair. Yeah, Tate, this is more of like a boring day of trading. Because there's no volume, there's no action. Like, we had this big candle, like this big volume, but as you notice, like ever since then, what are we doing? We're going slowly down on volume, which isn't a good sign, right? Volume makes price move. We want validity. I'm a shark bite. Shark bite, oh my. Think about it as like, what is it? Buy and demand, yeah. Brand new guys, new drugs, brand new high. I heard if you take too much you die. I'm already dead, might as well try. Walking out the coffin. See what I did there? Dude, don't get it twisted. Double tell your bitch Instagram pic. Double tell your bitch Instagram pic. 2 weeks later I'll be cramming. Double tell your bitch Instagram pic. 2 weeks later I'll be cramming. And she says she from LA, that bitch is scamming. Double tell your bitch Instagram pic. And she says she's from LA, that bitch is scamming. Hey, I love these bitches, but they be too scandalous. I'm too hot for all this drama, I can't handle it. Told that bitch to come make me a sandwich. Told my other bitch to hold the hammer. Are you down to catch a body? Can you handle it? Too much Molly in my body, I can't handle it. Go there, I won't go there. Up in LA cause I had a show there. Went to London cause I got a hoe there. Say she love me, baby, tell her whoa there. Slow there, IDK, bitch, I don't care. Need to get away. You a broke nigga, back up, get away. Yeah, so now Dow. Alright, let's look here. Alright, ES dipping down a little bit. Dipping down a little bit. And now Dow looks like MACD's going down, but we just had a green candle, so let's see. That candle is gonna close 7 minutes. That candle's gonna close 7 minutes. All these are 15-minute candles. These are 30-minute candles. These are 5. These are 1. This is 5. Oh. Trade profits. Michael, Dwayne, welcome. Right now we're not really doing a whole bunch of anything. We're just in this beautiful shit zone right now. Any other butters in the room? Michael, what's up? Caesar, hello. Again, thank you to Pablo, Fitchy, Andy, Tayton, Grace, all y'all. Appreciate it. Brand new clothes, brand new clothes. Try to catch up. Catch up. Corey, probably not, dude. Nah, because my Twitch won't be here tomorrow if I do. Shit, I don't got a white. Nah, my Twitch wouldn't be here. Or my Tik. Nah, cause TikTok's stricter than Twitch is. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. I haven't really freestyled in a minute. I'm gonna be honest. I still could kill a beat though, I feel like. We'll see, we'll see. Oh. Now we're testing 5784. There you go. Here, just enjoy the freestyle. Till they click, click, chick, flick. Jebediah, hello. But I've been paid with a 8K. You see why I wouldn't have a Twitch? You get the point now, Corey? Speaking of smoking, I do that shit a lot. I mean, 7 minutes into a 17-minute, and at this right here, this is when he just starts going. I can't even explain it. You just gotta hear it. Right here, it just fucking pops off. Eric, welcome. Eric Perez, welcome. Make sure people on TikTok to like up the stream and follow. If you don't, then I guess you're voting for Kamala. I can't help you. Fire out. He's like a chop. Think his arm. Fuck a bodyguard. Run up in his trap and tear this shit to shards. Same thing that she did with my heart. Goddamn, not another heartbreak. Whip the rock like another earthquake. Absolutely not. I'm not freestyling. Hey, I don't know about nothing right now. Dow's going back down. NASDAQ's going up. ES is trying to figure out what the fuck it wants to do. Got a little bit of buy here. Nothing crazy, though. I'll give you guys this angle.
Smartest dropout that you ever see. I've been making money every time, but they make believe. Pull up in the chopper, making him Vegas see. I ain't never give a fuck about nothing. I'm getting high when I'm running up, I know them comments be coming. I pull up on them, I'm drumming up all like OKC Thunder. I'ma be the ghost in the room. I'ma overdose on you. I know that I'm playing love games, but I don't think I ever lose.
There we go. That's better. Same. Don't mean nothing to you.
Always got nothing to prove. I just got a heart I could lose. I ball hard on your avenue. Hey, let me live, let me go. Heartbreak
Alright. Let me skip to 14. Here. Listen to this. Yeah, Crypt ain't doing much. Spy doesn't know what he wants to do. Let's see. It's a good candle here, though. Big reversal. There's some sell. There you go. There we go. Bye. Spaz. Now, you don't want to see it just bounce off here, though. You want to see it continue to move down, but there's still 4 minutes. But it can also just reverse and go up. Alright, right here. Right here. Ready? Ready? Said you want this forever. Whatever. Like the weather. Together. Knock 'em out like Floyd, baby. Money Mayweather. I know I'm that boy, baby. Ballin' forever. On a whole different level. With the rolling on my wrist and on a whole different bezel. Got the hand for that bitch. I need a whole different devil. Got the rockin' on this shit. No heavy metal. I'll stick it to the black hole like that shit is scheduled. Oh, I am the man now. I mean, like, that's crazy. Jeez, that's a couple of grand now. That shit dead. Daz. What about this? Summer. Baby girl. Yeah, that's fire. Let's put that on right after. Woo! It is moving right now. Yeah, volume's coming in. Hey, add it up. I got this shit out the dust. Hey, I know that they fear me. Alright. Hey, please get the end. The only reason I'm letting you go to that is because the end's good. Cock it back, load it up, then I shoot. Alright, there we go. Now we tap 775 instead of 77. A little more sell. Again, you can see my sell. I kind of have it covered up right now, but we're at like, you can see it right there, 1.2. On this candle, a winner, you're not one. 11,000. 11,000 total. Let's see. I'll expect if it's gonna make a move lower, it's gonna be with like 30 seconds left on that candle, maybe even 45. It'll do it really towards the end. Love ain't really just a joke. Cool.
Una pubblicità non saltabile durante un
Get
programma
out of here.
imperdibile.
Bullshit ads, dude.
È geniale.
Now I gotta listen to the ads in English and Italian. There we go. Whoa. Oh, that's dope. On a horse. Is this like a, yeah, this is the same guy. Oh, this is it. All right, bet. Enjoy.
Hello guys, what's up?
Oh.
Ramo here, and welcome to this beautiful. Yeah.
There you go. Alex, what's up, brother? And we're trading. Every day. Alex, like the stream. Thank you. 27 seconds, 26 seconds. Let's see if it makes that move. There we go, come on. Again. 5763. Bounced off at 5:30 EST. Moved all the way back up here. Now we're in a shit zone. We gotta try to get out of this shit zone. And if we're able to hold under 5763, we're gonna see 5746. David, Alex, what's up? Like up the stream, guys. Alright, we close that candle. Let's see what's happening over here. We're still on the sell side right now. Nobody. I need a drink, but it ain't Bacardi. And it looks like soon we should have a 5-minute red trend here if we continue to move down. You know, Corey, just because you said that, I might just turn it off. Alright, let's see what happens. I didn't even read your chat until I turned it on. I'm also in this. Another random crypto. Andrew Tate's one. Alright, there you go. A little bit lower. As I said, 5-minute red trend. Right there pops up. Obviously, if that holds, you need to hold on these 3 minutes. If we're able to hold out of this 5775, you could get inputs down to 5763. It would be a riskier trade though. But again, it has to hold. And you need confirmation. Confirmation would come after this candle close. Unforgettable. Alright. NASDAQ's back red. And Dow's been going red. But as you can see, ES has just been consolidating over this daily average. Like, we broke above it, which was this morning, like I've been saying. We had that move, and then ever since then, it's held under, held above, held under, held above, held under if this closes. So, again, it's just shit. See, it can just turn around so fast. That's why you want to wait till it tells you like to get in, right? Because like if it held below, yeah, that's something better. You can have a somewhat confirmation, but this is just what happens when you're in these chop zones. It doesn't follow through. Welcome to the streams, Twitch, YouTube, TikTok. Appreciate y'all. Yeah, it just switch in seconds. I think we might have some type of news today. Let me double check. It's been full of news days. I don't think we have anything today. Not that I know of, at least. RF, welcome. Yeah. Just a bunch of full non-follow-throughs traps. You don't want that. You want this. Good example. It's on my screen. 4 minutes. Let's see. Dow's having a green candle now. Over here. MACD might start to pull back up. So that's what I'm saying. And there's no point in trading this because it has no true direction, right? But when you know, okay, like, ES is moving down, Nasdaq's moving down, YM's moving down, they're all moving down. Oh my god. And they're all moving down. It makes sense, right? And you have like confirmation that it held under this or something. But right now you're just gonna get in and get stopped, get in, get stopped. It's just a bunch of full like nothingness. 10% of like the day's actual moves. And you got like you shouldn't have any rush to rush into anything. It's all about just planning and waiting. A view cam? Very pretty. Notes and shit. Yeah. Now I wouldn't even be surprised if we go 5-7-8-4, tap off, go back down. If it holds above it, then that's a good sign as well. So you could get it calls there too, but again, you just got to be careful. Doesn't just trap, right? Hold above and then just trap, fall back down. And we are still on the sell side at the moment, right here. Two minutes. This just turned green right here. 1 minute. So you guys can see there's always mini trends and bigger trends, right? Like we have a 30-minute red trend, but we have a 5-minute green and a 1-minute green. So it's just about looking at those. Let's see if we bounce or if it moves. Look, it's moving with some swag right now. Let's see. If we move over to buy here, it's gonna break through. Markets are still pointing down on MACDs though.
I got my red
18 seconds on, it's testing it again.
dancing
Let's
in
see.
the dark in the pale moonlight. Done my era of real beauty queen style. High heels off, I'm feeling alive. Oh my God, I'm feeling
See what happens on the next.
from wise apart. I sizzling like a snare, honey. I'm on
Let's see if it just rejects it again.
when nothing scares me anymore. Kiss me out before you go. Summertime
Cell's coming back. This is literally the best example of chop. If it just continues to go down again, this is just chop, yeah. Well, this is. If it breaks out, it breaks out. But unknown, welcome. Yeah, chop is just full of traps. Trap, trap. Trap, trap. This turn, see, it's turning green, it's turning back red. It all depends on this candle. This candle continues to do this. You could probably see a breakout here. I mean, now we're holding in between 5784 and 5782, like we were doing before. The only thing is, if it really wants to move up, it needs to break through and hold 5784. And even 5790, it needs to get above. Because this was all last... Where is it? No, I can't be asked. I don't want to put all the tabs back. Last week, 2 weeks. You can look at that zone. Yes. Two minutes. Alright, bro.
Nuovo BYD Sea-View DMI, tecnologia ibrida, anima elettrica. Scoprilo in concessionaria.
Morbido pan di Spagna, un cuore al...
I have a feeling Kels is about to have the game of his life. If I lose, I'm gonna be pissed. Nah, there's no way. My tight end somehow put up 24 points. Oh, there you go. There's a little move. Now you're gonna want to see a hold in this last minute here. Let's see what this is. No, it's nothing important. See, you'd want to see a good hold in like these 43, 42 seconds above this. Even if possibly above here. And you'd get to 5.795. And by a hold, I mean you want to see the solid color above that yellow line. You don't want to see just like the wick. 13, 12. There you go. You got a 30-minute green trend too if this holds. Oh, it just went away. It came back. There you go. So you could get in calls here, but I'm not going to because I'm looking for my trades, and you should already played this morning. As I'm lost in. But yeah, if you do get in calls, probably have your stop right below 5782, and you'd be going for 5795. But I don't know how I feel about it. My opinion. Hold on. What? HBO will reveal Bitcoin founder Satoshi this week, and Matt Crow and what does it say? More from CMC Rothstein. What? That's interesting, because nobody knows who it is. Hold on. Un segundo. Well, I wanted to solve the mystery of Bitcoin's creator. Then disappeared. For almost 3 years, filmmaker Paul Kemp has been investigating what happened to Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. So, pseudonym, cryptocurrency's founder. His identity vanished in 2011, 2 years after he unleashed his new digital career in the world. Holds over 1 million Bitcoins, and not one of those coins has ever been used, has ever been transferred or moved from their digital wallet. If the value of the Bitcoin continues to skyrocket, which it likely will since there's limited total Bitcoins in existence, Nakamoto could eventually become the richest person on earth. Who the fuck is this, bro? This was this not in like 2003? 2023? Hid his identity. So what is this? Hold on, let's just look it up on my phone. I want to know. Is this just bullshit? What even is this? Coin market cap. Alright, how the fuck do I get out of this? You can't. Duh. This is fire.
Trasforma la tua passione in un business con Shopify.
Oh my.
E batti i record di vendite con il checkout che converte di più al mondo.
Yeah, it's really not moving with any swag right now. That's why I said it's up to y'all to make the decision if you want to get in. Yeah, there you go. Probably gonna reject again. Who was that? like I had a little pullback. There's no volume, no validity. Not yet. 30 minutes is gonna be lunchtime. And nothing special is gonna happen there neither, so we will see. Yeah. I don't know. It just doesn't look like I got anything right now. It doesn't.
Fuel up when I go, speed up so I don't think of if you do miss me now. I come seeing loose, that's so not what you do. You always win, no need to fight a thing. Call you up, make
We might just see it slowly grind up here, but I don't know. We'll see.
pick me up because I felt hate the pain. Won't be long till you gone, won't you stay? Tell me your love ain't fading, ain't fading. It's on fire. Burning in the night, my heart ain't crazy, ain't crazy. It's alright. And they hurt it when the lights go out. Hurt it when the lights go out. I leave 'cause I must, can only ask for your trust. I spoke the truth when I said I'm wrong. I self-sabotage while you protect your heart. We'll never win, there's no need to begin. Call you up, make start, hate the rain. Hold me close, overdose, had to pay. Pick me up because I felt hate the pain.
Well, this song.
Won't be long till you go.
I'll be right back.
Tell me your love ain't fading, ain't fading. It's on fire. Burning in the night, my heart ain't crazy, ain't crazy. It's alright. And they hurt it when the lights go out. And they hurt it when the lights go out. And they hurt it when the lights go out. Tell me your love ain't fading, ain't fading. It's on fire. Burning in the night, my heart ain't crazy, ain't crazy. It's alright. And they hurt it when the lights go out. And they hurt it when the lights go out.
Come vi siete incontrate voi?
Lavoro. Ci hanno presentato.
Che era cortesia farlo.
Perché era d'obbligo.
Policy aziendale, conoscere le colleghe.
See, it keeps having those wicks down, but now it can't hold under 5, 7, 8, 4. So we'll see what happens on this candle.
When you're faded and alone and need somebody on the phone, let it be me. Let it be me. When she leaves you in the rain and need a high to kill the pain, let it be me. Let it be me. And I'll show you love the way it's supposed to be. Summer days, winter nights, ride or die, right by your side, killing time till you're ready to see I'm all you need. You're a drunk, you're a fool, I'm insane, so right for you. When the ship goes down, look in your dreams, that's where I'll be. Cause I need you, need you. And I la 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 la, yeah. But I wanna just stay the night. When you're faded and alone and need somebody on the phone, let it be me. Let it be me. When she leaves you in the rain and need a high to kill the pain, let it be me. Let it be me. And I'll show you love the way it's supposed to be. And I'll show you love the way it's supposed to be. Cause I need you. And I la 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 la, yeah. But I wanna just stay the night. And I need you. And I la 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 la, yeah. Oh no no no, I won't let you go. When you're faded and alone and need somebody on the phone, let it be me. Let it be me. When she leaves you in the rain, you need a high to kill the pain. Let it be me. Let it be me. And I'll show you love the way it's supposed to be. And I'll show you love the way it's supposed to be. And I'll show you love the way it's supposed to be.
Remember us running in the sunlight, staying up to midnight. We had
How do I do this? Alright, it's dipping down again. It's about to be midday.
never were thinking we sang on a favorite song. Because I love
Let's see. If it goes lower than 5782, you already know what I'm gonna say. So, lower than 5782, you're back still in that other chop zone. But right now we're in between 5782, 5784 now. Trying to figure out how to make this pull. I just need to make it so it's a yes or no.
red orange skies.
Yeah, I don't expect much price action, especially it's midday, it's lunchtime. It's gonna probably be an afternoon day, if there's anything. Alright, this isn't working.
Poker Stars News, il sito di news con tutte le statistiche e gli approfondimenti sui tuoi sport preferiti.
Know you get stronger when you get older. Just don't show your shoulders when you get older. The things aren't easy, so just believe me now. If you don't keep it cool now, you never make a sound.
What is this?
If you get to hear me now, all the fears will fade away. If you get to hear me now. If you get to hear me now. If you get to hear me now. The excuses are songs, speak out your mind now. And don't let it slide, you're not always right.
Welcome to the stream. Yeah, we're just chopping, it's not doing anything. Trying to set this up. Gold date must be in the future. Cool. Faith. Alright, but does it pop up? Alright, hold on. Why is there percent on there? Why is there that? What?
If you get to hear me now. If you get to hear me now. If you get to hear me now.
Man, why is there percent on there? Bar text color. What does that even mean? Yes. Now we're moving down again. It's closing under 5782. I don't know. Either closed on or like down by 0.25. I don't know if I don't know how to use Streamlabs or it's just the most confusing thing in the world. Might bounce here again and just tap back up to 5784. Let's see what's gonna happen. Depending on this close for everybody who's watching, since we're nearing lunchtime, I'm probably gonna end the stream in a couple minutes here. Anyway, so I want to see what happens just on this close. But everybody who's come through and followed and liked and done everything to the stream, I appreciate you all. Somebody who was liking when I wasn't paying attention, I'm so sorry I wasn't paying attention, but I appreciate you. Thank you guys for the follows. Thank you guys for the support. Let's just see what happens on this close here. Who liked the stream? Why wasn't I paying attention? I did not notice. There. 57 seconds here. Let's see if I can figure out who liked. $38, $37. Ba-da-bum. Let's see how long the lag is. I'm saying like 15 seconds, gotta be. Ah, it's like 10. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Close. Whole bunch of nothing again. I gotta change my thing.
In qualità di tecnico con esperienza e competenza saprai sempre come agire. Che si tratti di lavori
Okay, so
di
who's
collaudo,
liked?
manutenzione,
Can't even look.
riparazione, ogni tua
Well,
azione
to whoever that
deve
was, I'm
essere
sorry I wasn't paying
controllata
attention.
per fare in modo
Just trying to
che
figure out how to
operativi
make a poll, and I still wasn't even able to figure it out.
collabora con gli altri membri per risolvere.
So I'll hop back on this stream. I'll go back live if anything happens. But until then, that's all I really have to say. Remember 5763 below that we sell to 5746. And I don't really like 5784 anymore for a hold above again. Should have just been on these plays in the bounce in the morning. So yeah, appreciate everybody's come through, followed, like, blah blah blah. I'll be live later and we'll do another trade breakdown and probably do one at closing today. So appreciate all of you. Thank you.